Hello, my dear children in grade 6. You are warmly welcome to our new lesson. Geography grade 6, third lesson. Good maintenance of the immediate surrounding of your home. We all like to spend a healthy life. We have to maintain our immediate surrounding well to lead a healthy life. Therefore, we have to pay special attention towards the basic components of the immediate surrounding. My dear children, let's learn about the basic components of our immediate surrounding. Basic components of the immediate surrounding. Land, water, soil, atmosphere, plants, and animal are considered as the basic components of our immediate surrounding. Okay, children, land, water, soil, atmosphere, plants, and animal are considered as the basic components of our immediate surrounding. Out of basic components, let's learn about the land first. Land is very important natural resources in our surrounding. It is utilized in various ways. What are the uses of the land? Let's see what are the uses of the land. For settlements, for agricultural activities, for the constructions of buildings, for irrigation activities, for exploiting mineral resources, for building cities, for the existence of flora and fauna, for building roads. Once again, I will say the uses of the land. For settlements, for agricultural activities, for the constructions of buildings, for irrigation activities, for exploiting mineral resources, for building cities, for the existence of flora and fauna, for building roads. Now we know, children, that the land is very useful component in our surrounding. When using land, man does not pay enough attention towards it. Man uses the land irregularly. There are some examples for the regular use of land. Expansions of agricultural lands on a mass scale. Cultivation on mountain slopes. Excessive use of agrochemicals. Extractions of clay to make tiles and bricks. Unlimited sand mining in rivers. Mining limestone and irregular gem mining. Then let's learn about the bad effects of improper use of land. When we use land irregularly, it helps to occur many changes in the environment. You can see such bad effects here. Destructions of the ecosystem, soil erosion, destructions of animal habitats, flood, landslides, shortage of drinking water, and drought. Destructions of the ecosystems, soil erosion, destructions of animal habitats, flood, landslide, shortage of drinking water, and drought. Then let's think about the things we can follow regarding the proper use of land. Find the places where soil erosion occurs and grow cover crops. Build stone ledges. Make drains. Cover the land with chaff coir dust or straw. Dig a compost pit and make fertilizer with kitchen waste and dry leaves. Cultivate according to the contour lines. By following these strategies, we can minimize the damages to the land. These methods may help you to protect your homeland and land in your immediate surrounding. Then let's turn towards the water. You all know that water is very useful natural resources we gifted by Mother Nature. We are unable to think about the life without water. Think a little about the uses you gain by water. What are the uses of water? For drinking, for bathing and other sanitary activities, for agriculture, for transport, for generating hydroelectricity, for industrial activities, and for the recreational activities. We use water to fulfill our daily needs. But when using water, man does not consider it as limited resource. Therefore, lot of human activities may be the causes of water pollution. Then, let's learn about the methods of water pollution. Adding agrochemicals, adding garbage, adding detergents, mixing water with industrial waste, adding oil into the water bodies are some methods of water pollution in our area. If there is a water shortage, we have to face a lot of problems. Now, let's see the problems arising with water shortage. If there is a water shortage, we are unable to find pure water to drink. It also being a threat for the existence of other living beings. It also causes for failure of agricultural and industrial activities. You know children, water is essential for agricultural activities. Without water, farmers are unable to do their cultivations well. You know children, water is essential for agricultural activities. Without water, farmers are unable to do their crop cultivations well. Think about the industries like salt and making bricks. Without water, they are unable to do their industrial activities well. Water shortage also affect for spread diseases. Soil become infertile with water shortage. In Sri Lanka, water is one of the most important source of producing hydroelectricity. Now, I think you will have an idea about the problems arising with water shortage. Now, you know that we have to face a lot of problems with water shortage. Therefore, we have to take some valuable steps to minimize water shortage. Following methods can be used to conserve the water. Prevention of misuse and wastage of water. Consideration given to careful use of water. Prevention of polluting drinking water. Protection of the forest cover and motivation to the plant trees. Conservation of water resources and prevention of water pollution. Making people aware of the importance of water conservation. using wastewater in domestic use for other purposes, training people to use rainwater tanks. By using these methods, we can help to conserve the water. Then let's learn about the air. Air is another important basic component available in our surroundings. It is an important factor for our survival. Among the gases in atmosphere, oxygen is required for breathing. Nitrogen is needed for the growth of plants. Our next topic is the uses of air. What are the uses of air? We use air for breathing. It also needed for the growth of the plants. Out of the gases in air, oxygen needed for combustions. Wind also used for generating electricity. It also being a media of transport. We have gifted clean atmosphere by the nature. But today various human activities contribute to the atmospheric changes. Man is directly contributing to the air pollution. Here you can see some factors affecting air pollution. Smoke emit from vehicles, addition of toxic gases emit from factories to the atmosphere, forest fire, volcanic eruptions, burning of fossil fuels, indoor air pollution. Now you know some natural and human reasons which lead air pollution. Then let's learn about the effects of air pollution. Two harmful effects of air pollution are mentioned below. First one, diseases related to the respiratory system. Then second one, occurrence of acid rain. Diseases related to the respiratory system and occurrence of acid rain are the two main harmful effects of the air pollution. Here you can see some diseases related to the respiratory system. Cough, lung cancer, catarrh, asthma, severe headache. Let's read it again. Cough, lung cancer, catarrh, asthma, severe headache. Occurrence of acid rain is another harmful effect of the air pollution. Due to occurrence of acid rain, there may be water pollution, destructions of aquatic organisms, destructions of forest, and damage to soil. Our next topic is energy. From ancient time, the human beings have used various sources of energy to fulfill their needs. Sometimes man used his manual power, but later they got support of animals to do various activities like agriculture, transport, pulling logs. Nowadays, the use of machinery has increased and various sources of energies are used for it. When living, we have to satisfy our various needs. Accordingly, energy helps us to fulfill our various tasks like preparation of food, cleaning, use of communication devices, ironing clothes, lighting, transportation. Let's read again. We use energy for preparation of foods, cleaning, use of communication devices, ironing, lighting, transportation. Now we are going to talk about the sources of energy. Things we use to generate energy are named as energy sources. What are the sources of energy? Do you know something about the sources of energy used in your home? Yes, let's see. Sun, hydroelectricity, wind, fossil fuels, biomasses, tidal waves are some sources of energy. Today, we used energy to fulfill our various needs. Not only us, but also the people in all over the world use energy to satisfy various needs. Therefore, the demand for the energy rapidly increased today. Let's see the reasons for the increasing demand for energy. Increase in population, increase in consumer needs, progress in industrial activities, development of transportation, improvement of living standards. Let's see the reasons again. Increase in population, increase in consumer needs, progress in industrial activities, development of transportation, improvement of living standards. Now we know that we use energy for various tasks. But energy sources are not abundant. Therefore, we should pay our attention towards the economical use of energy. What can we do for economical use of energy sources? This is for your attention. Economical use of energy sources. We can save the power of 245 watts if we use 5 CFL bulbs of 11 watts instead of using 560 watts bulbs. Another one, use efficient firewood hearth. Efficient firewood hearth helps us to save energy. It helps us to cook fast, easily, and safely with the use of less firewood. Next one, produce biogas by using domestic waste materials. We can produce biogas in domestic level by using the kitchen waste, plants like Salvinia glycidia, liquid cow dung, which are found in the immediate surrounding. By following this method, we can produce compost fertilizer as byproduct. Another one is about the solar power. Fulfill the energy needs of your home by obtaining solar power through solar cells. Sri Lanka is the country which is rich in sunlight. We can produce energy by obtaining solar power through solar cells. It also being eco-friendly energy source. In this lesson, we talk about the basic components in our surrounding. We learn about the soil, water, air under several subtopics. All these resources are essential for our survival. Now you know, children, it is our duty and responsibility to protect all these resources. I'm sure you may have a very good knowledge of this lesson now. Thank you very much for your participation. Have a nice day.